In this video, I'll show you how to turn a normal link in Instapage into a tracked link. Then I'll show you exactly what data gets recorded when someone clicks it. To do this, I'll use a tool called ClickMagick. If you want to follow along, you can use the link in the description to get a 14-day free trial. Let's get started. For this example, the button lives on my WordPress demo page. The destination is an Instapage landing page. So WordPress controls the button, and Instapage is where the visitor lands after clicking. Here is the Instapage button before tracking is added. It uses a normal direct link to the landing page. That link can send visitors to the right page, but it does not give me a simple ClickMagick report for this one button. I will open the Instapage landing page in a new tab. This is the destination visitors should reach. I will copy the direct link from the browser. Now I will go into ClickMagick and create a new tracking link. I will name it Instapage Landing Page Demo. Then I will paste the Instapage landing page link into the destination field. This keeps the same destination while ClickMagick records the click first. After that, I will save the tracking link. ClickMagick gives me a new tracking link. I will copy it and go back to the WordPress editor. Now I will select the Instapage button on the demo page. I will replace the old direct Instapage link with the ClickMagick tracking link. The visible button stays the same. Visitors still click once and land on the Instapage landing page. Now I will update the WordPress page and open the live version. I will click the Instapage button once to test it. The same Instapage landing page opens, so the redirect is working. Now I will return to ClickMagick and refresh the Smart Links report. The test click is now recorded. Here I can see how many clicks this Instapage link receives. The main report shows total clicks, unique clicks, flagged clicks, cost, revenue, net profit, cost per click, earnings per click, and return on investment. Inside the click details, I can review the clicks per day chart, link view, referrer, sub ID 1, unique click status, IP address, country flag, and timestamp. Now the Instapage button on my WordPress demo page gives me clear click data inside ClickMagick. I hope this helped. Try ClickMagick for yourself using the link below. You'll get a 14-day free trial.